Hello, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to recover Instagram without verification code. First things first is to go to the login page. Press get help with logging in. You will verify the username. Then you will press can't reset your password. From here, it will be the help us to recover account. It's gonna send you a security code, either your phone number or email. And this is probably why you're here, is because either you've gotten a new phone or changed your phone number, or you've lost the password that you cannot access your email. Press try another way. Then it's gonna put you in new page, which is the request report. Then you will choose why can't you get into your Instagram account. So you will choose from these options. Basically, Instagram is trying to verify if it's you trying to access your account, not someone else trying to steal your account. And then Instagram will send you separate new email, and from there you will go to the verification process in order to log back in. You shouldn't need a verification code for this. Instagram just gonna try to get back your account and you're good to go. I hope it helped you through the process, and don't forget to subscribe and like.